Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just want to say that I again am thankful for the April sticker challenge. I realized that I am a true sticker kit gal, and that I enjoy having everything kind of done for me, not lazy way, but it's just more of convenience. You know, back when I was a lot younger, I'm in my 30s now. When I was a lot younger, and I mean younger as in like teenage years, early kid years, 12, 11, I was very creative. I loved art. But now it's just with so much mental exhaustion that I'm just happy to have a sticker kit to help me budget. And I just need to budget for those kits. We are going to be budgeting for the first paycheck in May, which is going to be May the 3rd. And as you guys saw in my May layout, I think it came out beautifully. I forgot to finish off the Hulu for $6.99, but that is okay. And then I did add one mark. When I was going over it this weekend, I was like, oh my god, I forgot one mark. But then I forgot that I paid Walmart off. So we're gonna actually take that right back up. Because that is something that we do not need to pay anymore. Hopefully the sticker's not too bad. And I even had wrote it in so I wouldn't forget to take it up, but we don't need to make that no more because that is what? Yep, you are absolutely correct. That is paid off. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna go ahead and get into and these are Caffinated Cait stickers, and I am so obsessing over her stickers. I've already ordered June sticker kit because I'm just obsessed with it. But oops, we're going to go ahead and get right into it. And I have the stack here, so I'm gonna take this one, and I'm gonna take this one, and I am going to, is this big washi or little washi? Little washi. I got a lot of washi. So we are going to go ahead and jump right on into it, and I'm super excited to be using these stickers. So first things first, I'm going to lay out my border. And in the sticker challenge for the month of April, you know, every week was going good. Every week I was okay. It felt like every week they got further to the end. It was hard. It was hard. It was getting harder and harder. I'm gonna take this back up because I don't think I like it the way it is. So these stickers come up beautifully, like butter, honey, like butter. Anyways, I'm gonna put it right on there. And definitely last week was a complete struggle for me. I'm gonna use these Paycheck stickers. It was a complete and utter struggle. I have no idea why. Well, kind of like I explained it in the beginning, I think it's just because I just don't want to have to think. I know that sounds so horrible probably, but I really just don't want to have to think. So I'd rather buy this kit, set it up to my liking, even though you probably will see this all over the place. Set it up to my liking and be about my merry way. And in actuality, you know, it just is what it is. So if you like it, great. If you don't, I hope you learn to love it. Okay, so now I've never used her kit in the past at all, so I know this income is definitely something I'm going to be using, so I'll stick that here. I think I'm going to kind of layer it just a little bit so I don't take up too much of an extra box. I think this is okay. Now this I don't like that it doesn't go like all the way over, but I guess it is okay. Maybe I could use this strip, I don't know. So we do have this month we'll be doing mine, his, our miscellaneous, and then total income here. I do like that all of this adds up. Oops, lines up, I should say, not adds up, but lines up. On previous sticker kits, they didn't really line up. Yeah, so I like that. variable and fixed. So I'm assuming variable expenses, and I guess I could Google it and see, but variable expenses, I'm assuming, is everything that can change. I really have no idea. But fixed expenses, I guess, is those 4 walls that Dave Ramsey talks about, like your car payment, your light, your house payment, stuff like that. So variable must be everything other than that. But expenses are expenses to me regardless. So I am just going to put expenses. I'm gonna use this one. Oh, I guess I could put some washi. Ooh, washi. I'm gonna use this washi and try to use all this sticker kit right here. So I'm gonna put this here. Can you guys see? No. Okay. Oh, I think her tape, her stickers, the vibrancy is so beautiful. And I'm so into the peach right now. Okay, so then we're going to just go over this again just a little bit. So we're going to do budgeted, actual. These are really small boxes. That's one thing I can say. These are like for small writing people. I'm gonna go ahead and get on into writing, and I'm going to be using, which pen should I use? Okay. So first things first, we have my income. That is like so big, so long. I feel like this should be as long as this, right? Okay. Expected, we're gonna do on no more expected check, which is $549.24, and that doesn't fit. This check will probably definitely be this amount because I was on vacation last week, or this week that just ended. So I don't expect anything higher than what this is. My husband's, however, may be a little bit higher because he did work the holiday and they do get a bonus for working the holiday. So miscellaneous, we are expecting 100, and we'll do 150 this week. I mean this month. So our totals should be a total of
154.24 plus 634.17 plus 150.
So we're looking at 133. Be $1,333.41. That's what to expect. Now our bills are going to be, being that we were able to pay our first couple of bills last week with the last week's paycheck in April. We don't have as many. So we have iTunes, and we're going to budget $16.04. Gosh, these boxes are tiny. My phone, that's going to be $48.39. Sorry. And then we have our car note, and that is, oh gosh, $408. Yeah, see, I like that. I don't know. I love this setup. It's for Ona. I love the colors, but the setup is like too tiny for me. Okay, let's do it again. So we'll put 1604 and 48 $239. Then our car note is $408. Okay. And then we have our savings. That's 50. And then we have our Wells Fargo credit card, and that gets $120. Okay. So here we put our totals. Right? Look at that. Oh my god. That totally doesn't even fit. Oh my gosh, guys.
Maybe no zeros? I don't like this. Okay. Let's draw some lines. Oh gosh. Probably should get the lines first. So tiny. This is like for people who write super small. Look at that. Oh, that's horrible. Maybe I should draw the lines first.
Why is it so small though? Like, I don't understand why it's so tiny. You got this massive box right here, and then this tiny box is to write in. Okay, so I don't know what all of this totals is about. No idea. We are gonna put a strip of washi though, right down here. Want to do our cash envelopes total. Okay, so we're gonna put our cash envelopes here. $53. So I guess we'll put our totals. I guess that would go here somehow. So our total should be let's see,
1604 plus 4839, 408.
so that's, oh gosh, 520. Oh god. Okay, so that's 534.43. I don't like writing super tiny, guys. I do not. If you look at this and look at my normal writing, it's just okay. So our totals I guess is minus 133.41 is what plus 253. So we should, I don't even know, so we should have $545.98 left over to put towards debt. Put towards debt, at least. Yeah, that's basically what we should have left over to put towards debt. I have plenty of stickers left over. I don't really know what to do with these. This maybe I'll put nowhere. I have no idea. Down at the bottom. I don't know what to. I think I'm gonna set it up different next week. Yeah, but either way, guys, some of the things I don't like about it. I love this size. It's beautiful. And the fact that it's big is beautiful. I guess this part is supposed to go here. And that what extends it. But I don't know what to put on this part. And then that will go down here. And I guess it's for those people who like 2 boxes or whatever. But I don't like 2 boxes. I just put all my stuff together. So there's that. This is it. So either way, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully we could get this Wells Fargo credit card down to 0 this week. Because you know what? It sucks that we put so much to this debt. This could have been money we could have been saving. Oh my God. Okay, either way. Thank you guys so much for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time. Bye.